The good news is that there has been a lot of direct investment from Asia into Europe, both in financial assets, in euro-denominated assets, also in real foreign direct investment into companies. So I think this is going to be, I would say, a very positive signal for stability, not just for Europe, but also for Asian investors. That's the first important point. Second is that as Asian companies need to grow internationally, Europe will provide also a very good ground for setting up subsidiaries and exporting to a vast number of citizens. It's about 300 million people within the European Union, so it's a large trading bloc, a large region in terms of market size. And the third and very important dimension as well is that it makes sustainable the investment of European companies, especially German companies, French companies, into Asia, which is a flow that actually started to happen about 15 years ago. With the crisis, it went down a little bit and now it's moving up again. So I do think that those are very positive news for Asia as well.
And facilitating some of those trade flows is the fact that the European Union has been looking to this region to forge more free trade agreements. So we've had one with South Korea, one about to be signed with Singapore. They've started talks with Thailand, Vietnam, and next Japan. So is Europe now having to look to this part of the world because there's still growth here?
Well, there is growth here, and I think there is also, a very clear assumption behind the European Union that part of the success of the eurozone as a region is the full integration of economies through trade and investment. So there is a belief that that free trade of goods, services, is a very important dimension to keep the world economy not just alive but also very dynamic. So I do think that Europe can play a very important role here beyond the short-term interest of trade surpluses and trade deficits.